Tired of browsing through endless folders every time you open, merge, save, import, or export a file? With miaуу's Folders Bookmarks, you can bookmark any folder for instant access, directly from the standard 3ds Max file dialogs. Creating bookmarks. The folder you see here will be added to your bookmarks. Global bookmarks. Save any folder as a global bookmark, accessible at all times across all scenes and file dialogs. Local bookmarks. Save scene-specific bookmarks that are stored directly in the Max file. These bookmarks are only available when the scene is open. Local bookmarks are always displayed at the bottom of the bookmarks list, below the Scene Bookmarks line. Let's add a few more local bookmarks. Saving the scene will also save the local bookmarks associated with it. Empty scene, only global bookmarks are available. This is a scene with saved local bookmarks. Manage your bookmarks. Rearrange bookmarks. Sort bookmarks alphabetically. Remove selected bookmarks. Invalid bookmarks will appear in red. Double-click a bookmark to open it in the file dialog. Remove all invalid bookmarks. Right-click any bookmark to open it instantly in Windows File Explorer. Add global or local bookmarks.